on a photo walk. GoPro on. Not quite. Not even vaguely quite. All right, we're coming up on the water. It smells like French fries. Now I have some elevation. That will often serve me well. This boat coming through, I'm gonna see if I can work in the palm tree in a way that makes sense. Right there. This guy's quite bright. Wider lens wouldn't hurt me. I do like this spot. What happens if I go up here? Kind of an interesting shift, more prominent palm tree. Now I need a really interesting boat to come by. Or perhaps a mermaid, a river maid, canal maid. I'm not really sure of the diversity of the mer people species. So I think if I pulled over a bit to the left here, that might result in an interesting frame. I'll show you what I got going on. Once again, if a boat comes in, well, that's what we want. An interesting boat. I'd say the Titanic, but it might be too big. Boat going away from us, not quite the vibe. You could put that on the worst postcard ever. Okay, I feel like I've been here for 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes, and no more boats have come this way. So I'm gonna move along. Oh, and I'm gonna switch over to my wide lens for just a bit. Is that a... Oh my gosh, there's a boat coming. All right, I'm just gonna put the bag right there for now. Close that to not show the valuables. Two boats kind of clashing with each other. It's not my favorite. They might be separating. Hard to tell. All right, oh, we got a third boat. This is great because the other one's way over to the right. That's not gonna help us. It's a smaller boat, but still might work. I think what I'm not anticipating is that they consistently move to the right as they come closer. It's a little tricky to get them to do exactly what I was expecting them to do. They're staying over here though, that's okay. All right, they're stopping. Thank you guys, I appreciate that. Very nice. Focus on the boat. Nice turn, yeah, profile shot, all right. Cool, fun stuff. All right, oh, they're doing a little turnaround. Let's see. Anything else I can do here? Nah, that'll be it. Okay, now let's draw some attention and put the giant white lens on. Beautiful music coming from a small child and some adults over there. Oh, all right, you got a little groove. So I had switched over to the 16 to 35 for a few minutes, but quickly decided to switch over to the 70 to 200. Immediately feel far more visible. All right, let's see. Let's two people on top of each other. A little tighter. All right. I really like this long, slowly descending walkway. Okay, so let's see what I can do through these trees here. If it'll focus. Oh, there's a pug, I think. Fun. How are you? Good. Nice guy. Sometimes you can tell if people are nice just by how they say what's up, man. The fact that he was willing to look at me, engage with me when he didn't have to, and say hello. It sounds simple, but it can be a big deal. Especially in a place where people don't do that so much. If the railing wasn't there, it would really change things. It just really it gets in the way, as railings often do. But you know, safety. Lovely. Got a pontoon man. Okay. Alright, let's switch over. I like this boat for some reason. This might be the most interesting boat I've seen this morning. This evening, sorry. I don't know what's happening to me. Okay, that's cool, I like that. Feels good. Those blue benches, if they weren't in the way, I'd take a photo of that guy over there. Blue benches. Oh, speaking of blue things, look at the store. Would this lens do it? Let's see. Oh yeah, we can make this work, I think. Blue shirt, blue benches. Oh yeah, nice. Can't complain about that. Did I say benches? I meant door. Blue shirt, blue benches. Oh, all right. Got the floating tiki bar. Doesn't seem very hydrodynamic, I must say. But it's very fun dynamic. Free water trolley. Nothing in this world's free except for the water trolley. Dang it, I don't even have the camera on. That's not how you take pictures. Wonder if I can drop this down to like 9 and bring up the shutter speed. Bring down the shutter speed rather. So when somebody comes by, I can drag it. I get another one of those motorcycles. I'm at F9 right now, and my shutter speed is at 3/20th. Might change though. Ideally, there would be not many cars around and some nice separation. I think we have a candidate. Yeah. Okay, let's see. So if we're gonna start the follow way back, set the focus, and all right. A little tight. These are hard shots to get. Okay. What's up?
Taking a picture of?
There's a guy going by on a motorcycle.
Oh.
Yeah.
You with a magazine or something?
No, just I just take photos for Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you post shit. Get money for it?
No.
Back!
It's a passion project, man.
Well,
I make YouTube videos too, though.
I only make people laugh.
All right.
To hear them laugh.
That's good.
Not the money.
That's good.
You know, it's the joy they get out of it.
That's good. What's your name?
RC.
I'm James. Good to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you.
Can I take your photo, man? I think you're interesting. All right. If you want to, I got the long lens on, so if you want to just back up, just yeah, just like that.
Off the bike.
No, that's good. Just like that. Yeah. It's gonna be mostly the top half anyway, so. All right.
Can I give you the finger?
If you want to. I love it. Okay, give me the peace sign again. I did like that too. There you go.
Well, peace sign.
Yeah, I like the peace sign.
All right.
All right.
Actually, it's 2 middle fingers.
It's definitely draws attention when you get the middle finger, though. I will say that.
All right, if we make any money, we split it.
Sounds good, brother.
We cover the interest.
All right, good to meet you, man.
Have a good day, man.
I like that watch.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Have a good one.
God bless. These things come in clusters, you know? It's like, it'd be nothing, and then you get a motorcycle, and while you're looking at the motorcycle shot, somebody else shows up, talks to you, then you get their photo. Minecraft that. I'm not sure if I want to go this way, yet I still go this way. Also wanted to mention, while this wasn't absolutely necessary, it's probably a safe move, that as soon as I went to take the guy's portrait, I flipped all of my settings back to sort of a default, and the default for me is F4, shutter speed that's not too slow. ISO never really changed, so that's that. It's a good idea to have a default. Okay, so I'm gonna shift my ISO up because it's pretty dark right here. This is kind of a fun shot. I want to keep that pink arch in there. Nice. Yeah, this is kind of fun. These are the kind of shots that you can get in Florida at the right times. With the sparkling water and the silhouettes and such. I mean, I'm not loving where he's at, but it's the vibe. All right, that's good. He's moving into a good spot. Trying to figure out exactly where to put the focal length. Glad I can move it around. Oh yeah, there's boats in the background. That's fun. Guys moving out of the reflection.
Got the Canon out.
How you doing? Sony. Yeah. I could see why he would think Canon with the lens, you know. Dinner time. It's another day now. I'm at a state park, one of the many here in South Florida, and the state parks here are actually really nice. I wanted to take you guys on a walk today, and I wanted to experiment with creating a bit more of a vlog atmosphere for these videos. Look at this. This is a new arrival. Got some archery practice to be happening here at some point. Know and obey all range commands. I wanted to see how you guys were doing. What are you guys currently excited about or maybe struggling with? I'll wait for a little bit while you write your comment. That's a pretty leaf. Whenever you're walking through these areas, you have to be careful not to run into banana spiders. They are giant spiders with giant webs. Lots of insect communication going on today as well. Oh, there's crabs. You guys see that? As an introvert, I really do enjoy these state parks, especially here in South Florida. It's a very busy place, lots of cars, lots of traffic. We live in a rather urban area, so to be able to hop out into a forest of palm trees and other coastal and tropical plants and various nature things is wonderful. It's nice and quiet. It's a great place to recenter my mind. House goals. Now I'm taking you guys to see a pretty spectacular tree. So one of the things that happened on the photo walk that I left out of the edit until now is there were two young gentlemen riding by on bicycles, and the guy in the front got my attention, and he was like, take a picture. So I whipped the camera around and he popped a wheelie for me. Now I had my long lens on, and this actually served to be detrimental to the photos that I took. Whoa, oh, saw something hanging, thought it was a spider. Oh my gosh, there's one. This is a tighter corridor, so I have to make sure that I don't get a spider on my face. Oh, you guys will catch it. That's why I have a giant mic on the top for spider catching. So yeah, I don't want to limit the potential possibilities of photos that can be achieved with any given lens at any time. I don't think that would be a wise thing to do, but if I would have had a wider lens in that situation, I would have been able to run up close if I had the time and lean over the barrier and take some photos that I feel like could be extremely exciting with a very wide angle lens like the 16-35 that I have right now. I could have used that in that situation, and I could have gotten right up close to the tire as he was coming by, done a little burst, you know. I think that could have been fun, and if I would have had that lens on, I could have seized that opportunity. But oh my gosh, hiding from the spiders. I'm not wildly scared of spiders, but they don't make me comfortable. As it stands, the shots that I did get had the road barrier in it, and they just didn't work out. Dynamics like that are just something to think about when you're out shooting. But here's that tree I wanted to tell you about. Look at this. Isn't this majestic and Lord of the Rings-esque? The lighting is going to obviously be different according to what time of day you come here. And I'd like to know what time would produce spectacular lighting for this location. Anyway, that's the tree. These spider webs are spectacular. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. Okay, now I'm back at my apartment in my office here, and before I go, I want to share with you one more announcement. Pretty big announcement. You already know about this if you've been watching my socials, but me and my wife, Christina, the wife, we're going to be having a baby. All right. Recording? All right, here we go. You are...
No way. No way, dude.
It says that you are.
Oh, shoot.
It says that you are.
Whoa! Oh, wow. Words.
Oh my, I'm shaking. Look at that. Holy crap. Well, that's cool. That I did not expect to see that.
That one.
I did not expect to see a freaking plus sign. That's crazy. Oh, that's weird. Oh, that's a weird feeling.
Oh,
Wow.
oh man.
It's going to be a little girl. We are very excited. The timing is great. We're in a fantastic spot for this. We were prepared. We were trying. So soon, I guess technically now, but soon, I will be a dad, a girl dad. And considering I am most comfortable and perhaps most able to articulate my thoughts through writing, I will just share with you what I wrote in an Instagram post that I shared with a photo of the ultrasound picture of our little girl. God has blessed me and at Christina Red with a little girl. I'm going to be a dad. I always wondered how and when my dad switch would flip on, but I've learned that it's more of a morphing experience than a switch. I'm feeling myself turn into a father, slowly, calmly, and powerfully. I'm looking at other little girls with their parents and just watching how they act and interact. I'm thinking about how I'm going to teach her things and spend time with her, and how I'm going to make sure she knows that I want to be close to her. What a privilege it is that I will be able to give her a dad when so many little girls don't have one. I think I'm up for it. God be praised. So me and my wife put out a bunch of social posts about this and a video as well, which I will link to. And if you ever want to get a bunch of people worked up about something, have a baby. Because everybody's excited. Anyway, before I wrap this up, I just want to share that with you guys. That's it. I appreciate you watching this video. I hope you found it entertaining and helpful. I hope you are happy and healthy. But I'm out of here. Talk to you soon. Goodbye.